Today we are going to show the welding process. First, we turn on the robot. Click on Start, and we move to the settings. We choose the welding process. After that, we choose the type of the welding and the type of the steam. Then we move to choose the positions. We use the drag teaching. The red button is used to move the robot, and the blue button is to save the position we need. After that, we choose position by position. Then we move to check the speed. After checking the speed, we do the assembling. Everything went successfully, then we start. And those are the steps you need to do the welding process using our robot.